This here is the Meuser 3.5 metre between centre by 1260mm diameter swing lathe, which we're going to run today. The chuck is going around at 40 RPM. Here we can see the machine is fitted with a 1200mm diameter ball jaw chuck. Nice wide double V bed on this machine. Four-way tool post, double cross slide configuration, enables you to get right outside large turning jobs. Big heavy tailstock, number 7 Morse taper. 145mm diameter graduated quill, rapid traverse of the saddle, back up here. See all your decals on the machine are in very good condition. Here we can see on the speed plate what speeds from 8 to 400 RPM speedily. The machine's got a big range of metric and imperial screw cutting. It's 0.75 to 192 metric and 1/8 of a turn to 64 TPI. All the chrome handles are in good condition. This is 112mm diameter. Is ideal for a range of large turning applications.